Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to unsolder copper pipe. I am about to install a new spout here, and I find out that this pipe is on my way, so I need to remove it, and I'm gonna show you how. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your bathroom. This video is for education purpose only. Be careful if your kids are around because we're working with fire. So we're gonna use this plier. Make sure you have gloves, lighter, and a torch. Okay. The first thing we do, we need to lock the water. Okay, and we try to dry all the water that is inside. Okay, try to dry all the water with a paper or something. I'm gonna use like a toilet paper. This is really white. Okay, so we're gonna light the torture. And then we're going to heat it up first. Heat it up for maybe 2 minutes. Be careful with the wall because it could be like get on fire really easy. So try to go as far as you can. It's on my way. And then use your gloves. And then start moving it. Okay, you see now start moving a little bit. Okay, be careful, it's super hot. Okay, dump it in the water if you can. Like it. Turn off your torture. Okay, I just put it inside hot water. It might still hot, so be careful. And right here I have a wet towel. Now you can even open the water. Okay, that will help to cool down the pipe. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. And also, before you install the new spout faucet, you need to clean it here with sandpaper. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you like it. And if it helped you in your problem, check my other videos, subscribe, give me a like. Thank you.